Welcome to one of the most concise, practical, and easy to understand courses of Python language. This course has been carefully designed for absolute beginners with no programming experience at all. It is also suitable for those who wish to further improve their skills in Python. For those who know other languages but don't know Python, as well as those late bloomers who want to change their life for better. My name is Wajib Bukhari, and I'm the founder at Institute of Human Excellence, where we have been helping people since last 1 decade to learn technical, cognitive, and social skills in the most fun and easy way. So why learn Python? Well, as you might be knowing, that Python is the most popular and versatile programming language in the developing industry. It offers a lot of options to programmers in general, and if they begin working with Python for one job or career, they can easily jump to another one in a different industry with quite attractive pay skills. Python is used in developing web applications, data analysis, software development applications, games, and so much more. The most rapidly developing fields of technology that are shaping today's world and will be shaping our future, such as futuristic data science and artificial intelligence, use Python. Now, why have we made this course? It's because most of the courses on Python that one comes across are more like an information overload that may put unnecessary burden on students, especially the beginners. In this course, we have ensured that you are enabled to assimilate and apply all the knowledge that is necessary to get you started with coding in Python, but in a fun and easy way. We will help you all the way from installing Python, fundamentals of Python coding and how it works, and then we get to the basics of Python such as variables, if statements, and loops. After that, we'll cover functions, and then we'll move on to more advanced topics such as object-oriented programming, including magic methods, inheritance, and polymorphism. And finally, we'll cover modules and packages, including libraries. With more than 6 hours of high-quality, interesting video lectures, this course is studded with examples, exercises, and quizzes in every section that will help you understand and apply the coding rules of this language again and again quite easily. So to put it in a nutshell, this is learning by doing. We will also make 3 beginner-level projects, including automation, data visualization, and cybersecurity, to ensure that you're able to go through the practical process of writing codes for creative solutions. If you have any questions during the course, you can ask in the Q&A session. You will also get a certificate of completion at the end of this course. On top of that, you get a 30 days money-back guarantee, which means you can claim your money back within this time period in case you're not satisfied with our content. So, go ahead as you don't have any risk at all. What are you waiting for? Enroll in this course today and change your life.